Are you looking for a community with a large, elegant home overlooking walkable streetscape, water canal, formal garden with European feel? Do not look further. SOMERSET Green community is here for you. This luxury gated master plan community is minutes away from the Galleria area, Memorial Park, Hines. Somerset sits on 46 acres with a quick access to I-10, 610, and many of Houston's major employment corridors. This community has been developed by Hines, which is known to create projects of high quality, aesthetic, relevant for over 60 years in our area. The developer partnered up with 6 different luxury builders to build about 500 homes here. Coventry Homes, Weekley, Pelican Builders, Realtor Homes, Darling Homes, and Toll Brothers. The residents appreciate guard-gated entry, canal lakes, beautiful garden, and gathering space. Also, resorts like center with swimming pool and entertainment space, walkable streetscape, formal garden, and dog parks. You will have plenty of home and floor plan to choose from, but be careful, some builders only have 2 properties left. From 3-story to 4-story, some homes or townhomes have a rooftop decks available. If you need to build from the ground up, make sure to hurry up and jump to the opportunity. Empty nester or young professional or anybody loving city life, make sure to give us a call today and help you find your dream home here. And make sure to subscribe, follow us on all our social media if you have any questions regarding real estate. I am Danielle Bilumbu with DBK Real Estate. À bientôt.